everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to fix start menu and taskbar issues on builds 22,176 and 22,449. So if your taskbar is not responsive, there are a few solutions you can tackle. Note that all the solutions use Task Manager. So the first solution is using CMD via Task Manager. Press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard and choose to open Task Manager. Then select More Details located at the bottom of the Task Manager if of course your manager isn't expanded yet. Then click on File and choose Run New Task. In the Open field, type in CMD and press Enter or OK. This will direct you to your command prompt where you have to input the following command. Now when you press Enter, your PC will reboot, and after rebooting, everything should be back to normal. Another useful solution is uninstalling a recent update. Again, go back to Task Manager via Ctrl-Alt-Delete, then click on File and select Run New Task. In here, type Control Panel and press OK. Then in the Control Panel window, simply select Programs and then Programs and Features. Then on the left pane, select View Installed Updates. Make sure to look for the update for Microsoft Windows KB 500 6050 if you have it, maybe some of you don't have it anymore, and simply click it and select the uninstall button. Now you can reboot your PC and everything should return to normal. You can also change date and time via Control Panel. Go back to Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete, then select File and Run New Task. In here type Control Panel and press OK. Now in the Control Panel window select Clock and Region. Then click on the Set the Time and Date button. I already fiddled with the solution, so my date and region are already messed up, but hey, at least the solution works. So just change the time and date as you wish and things should revert to normal. But before all this, make sure to go as well to the Internet Time page, then select the Change Settings button. In here, make sure that the Synchronize with an Internet Time server is turned off so that your date stays changed the way you set it up. And lastly, another solution is to use Windows Restore via CMD. Again, access Task Manager with Ctrl-Alt-Delete, then click on File and choose Run New Task. In the New Task window, simply type CMD and press OK to open Command Prompt. Then in the Command Prompt window, simply type rstrui.exe. This will open System Restore, which you can set up before today's date or before the date you updated your PC. And that was it. Plenty of solutions to consider.
As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.